Ever find yourself fumbling around trying to remember all the Blender shortcuts? Are you constantly searching online to find that one command that keeps slipping your mind? Well, the struggle ends now. Welcome to a comprehensive guide to Blender shortcuts that will streamline your 3D modeling process and boost your productivity. Firstly, how about we discuss the basics? In Blender, the key A selects and deselects all objects in the workspace. Now imagine working on a complex model and wanting to focus on one particular part. That's where Alt+A comes in handy. It deselects everything, allowing you to hone in on that one specific area. Next up, the B key. This brings up the box select tool, enabling you to select multiple objects within a specific area of your workspace. A real time saver for those intricate models. Now, let's move on to the G key. This is your go-to shortcut for moving objects around. But what if you want to move an object along a specific axis? Well, after pressing G, you can then press X, Y, or Z to constrain the object's movement to that particular axis. Moving on, the R key rotates your selected object, while S scales it. And just like with the Move command, you can constrain these transformations to a specific axis by pressing X, Y, or Z right after R or S. But what if you've made a mistake? Fear not. The Ctrl+Z command is Blender's undo function, taking you one step back. On the other hand, if you've undone something you didn't mean to, Shift plus Ctrl+Z is your redo command. Finally, one of the most important shortcuts, the Tab key. This switches you between object mode and edit mode, the two primary working modes in Blender. Now, let's recap. Today we've covered a handful of the most essential Blender shortcuts. A for select all, Alt+A for deselect all, B for box select, G for move, R for rotate, S for scale, Ctrl+Z for undo, Shift plus Ctrl+Z for redo, and Tab for switching between modes. Remember, practice makes perfect. By incorporating these shortcuts into your daily workflow, you'll soon find navigating Blender becomes second nature, and your efficiency will skyrocket. So go ahead, open up Blender and start practicing these shortcuts. Your future self will thank you.